In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Google Services. Now tap on All Services, scroll and click on Autofill with Google. Following that, after selecting Google Password Manager, just tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock and use eye icon next to your password. This way you can make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!